Let's also take a look at this report filed by DD India's Nupur, where she spoke to some of these stakeholders of the Citizenship Amendment Act. Let's take a look.
मोदी की गारंटी का मतलब क्या होता है, इसका ताजा उदाहरण सीएए कानून है। सीएए कानून है। सीएए कानून के तहत शरणार्थियों को भारत की नागरिकता देने का काम शुरू हो गया। ये वो लोग हैं जो धर्म के आधार पर हुए भारत के बंटवारे का शिकार हुए थे।
In the tucked-away enclave of Majnu Ka Tila in India's capital New Delhi, there is a sense of optimism and joy. Mostly filled with migrated Pakistani Hindus, residents of these camps are rejoicing as 14 amongst them have now become Indian nationals under the Citizenship Amendment Act.
There is palpable energy and excitement in this small makeshift enclave in Majnu Ka Tila, as some of them have got the first citizenship under the CAA Act of the Indian government. And there is a lot of hope amongst these people, but they hope that they will also get the citizenship soon, and they will no longer be called Pakistanis. Instead, they'll be Indian nationals.
India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded the implementation of CAA. Perceived as a historic day, more than 350 people received Indian citizenship on May 15. 14 of them were physically handed their citizenship certificates by Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla in New Delhi. The CAA legislation was notified by Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led central government on March 11 this year and aims to grant Indian nationality to Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Parsi and Christian migrants who fled religious persecution in Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan and entered India on or before December 31, 2014.
पहले तो यहाँ बताया जाता था पाकिस्तानी पाकिस्तानी, अब हम पाकिस्तानी नहीं, अब हम हिंदुस्तानी है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हमारा नया पुनर्जन्म हुआ हो। बहुत खुशी का दिन है जी, आज हमें नागरिकता प्राप्त हुई और सरकार का हम धन्यवाद ही कहेंगे। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और अमित शाह जी का धन्यवाद ही कहेंगे हम।
India's Home Minister Amit Shah said that one cannot deny these people the right to live in India and be called Indian nationals as they rightfully deserve it.
जो हिंदू, सिख, बौद्ध, जैन, क्रिश्चियन पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश और अफगानिस्तान से आए, वो सारे लोग 2014 के पहले जो शरणार्थी बनकर आए, उनका अधिकार है, डॉक्यूमेंट हो न हो उनको नागरिकता मिलेगी।
A large number of Hindus and Sikhs from Pakistan and Afghanistan who came to India through legal means stand to gain from the CAA. According to Hindu Singh Sodha, Seemant Lok Sangathan, a group that advocates for the rights of Pakistani minority migrants in India, around 80,000 applications are submitted from Pakistan. By providing a pathway to citizenship for minorities facing persecution, the CAA is presented as a humanitarian gesture aligned with India's civilizational ethos of asylum and protection. With the implementation of this historic legislation, India has yet again portrayed itself as a champion of human rights to the world. Nupur Praveen's report for DD India.